What's up, guys? My name is Rachel. Today I'm going to be giving you an honest review of Ecom Degree University by William Rivera. Um, I'm guessing that if you're watching this video, you're somebody who's interested in learning how to make money online, whether that's passively or you just need some extra cash on the side, or you want to leave your job, like fully want to leave your job and replace your income that you have right now. I was probably in the same place as you a couple of years ago. I was in a job that I absolutely hated, and I tried all of the courses. I spent so much money, and like some things hit it off, some things didn't. It was a really up and down, like roller coaster kind of situation until I landed on what I've been doing for the past 5 years, which is building websites and then renting them out to business owners. So I'm actually going to give you just a quick overview of what I do because I wish I had known about it sooner. And again, I'm assuming you're in a very similar position to myself a couple of years ago. And so I just want to be that person for you. So a quick example of what I do is, let's say there is a fencing company based out of Atlanta, Georgia. I'm going to build a website that says like fencing, Atlanta, Georgia. I put some really generic branding, some nice stock photos on the front, and then on the back end, I'm going to be doing some really basic SEO, just enough to be ranking on like the top sections of Google. Nothing crazy. It doesn't require any amount of coding or like special knowledge. Very easy to learn. And then once I start ranking within the next couple of days, I start getting phone calls and emails coming in from people needing fences in the area. And I'll call up an actual local business owner and I will negotiate a deal that says they pay anywhere from $500 a month to $2,000 a month as a flat rate in order to get all of these leads funneled directly to their contact information. Now, normally sales can be like kind of a tricky thing. In this situation, it's not, because business owners always want more business. Like that is the lifeblood of their business, is clients. If you don't have people to sell a fence to, like, then you don't have a business. Genuinely, like you have to have leads if you're a business owner that does like service-based business, right? And a lot of times, like, they might be really great craftsmen and can build a fence really well, but they don't know how to build a website or do the basic SEO that's required. So it's usually very easy to show them why they need this product. And so I've been doing that for the past 5 years and been making about $10,000 to $15,000 a month doing that very consistently. And it's 100% passive once I build the website and do the front end work of building and selling the client on it, essentially. So if you're interested in learning more about that, you can check out the link in the description box below. Otherwise, I will get on to the review. So William Rivera, I guess in about 2018, he got into the e-commerce world by like selling like bracelets and things online, like a Shopify store essentially. And he hit it off really quickly. I think he made about $45,000 in the first 3 months of his business. And as he started to grow more and more, he thought about teaching other people how to do this, and that's where his course was born. Now, the two things that I always want people to remember when they're choosing a course is, one, do you vibe with the course instructor? Like, if you're going to be listening to them for hours on end and maybe they talk really slow, or maybe, this sounds bad, but maybe they have a lisp, or like maybe they just bore you to death, you're not going to want to listen to them for hours and hours and hours, and you're probably going to end up wasting your money on their course. And then the second thing is, make sure that the course has a Facebook or like Discord group or some sort of community that you can join once you have like entered the course regimen, so that you can ask questions. Because like, let's say William is not going to be available all the time to answer your questions on basic things that maybe you're confused about in the course or in your own business. But other business owners that have taken the course might be, and they might actually be even more helpful because they have a different perspective. So what I always suggest is those two things, like double check those before you spend any money on any course, because I think they're very important and underrated when it comes to people taking courses and spending money on courses. So those are the things that I want you to keep in mind. I think e-commerce is a great business model. Dropshipping is a great business model. The thing about it that I want to point out, this is not passive. This is not passive income. E-commerce stores require a lot of upkeep, a lot of marketing. And if you're doing it yourself, like you're packaging the orders and sending them out, or even with a drop shipping person, like you're still communicating and paying for inventory, it can be a lot. It can pay well, But I don't want you to go into this thinking that it's a passive income stream. If you're looking for a passive income stream, again, look into that description box, click on that link, and see if building websites and renting them out to business owners might be a better fit for you. If nothing else, I wish you guys the best of luck on your money-making journey, and I will see you in the next video.